Hello and welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to perform an SEO audit for your website. The audit tool I am going to show you is really easy to use and it gives you some fantastic results along with some great reports about your website. So what you want to do is go to seooptimer.com, that is seooptimer.com, and then enter your website's URL into the homepage for this tool and then click audit. So I'll do that right now. And then I'll click audit. And now it is going to create an audit for your website. This audit is going to be split into 9 different sections. We have results, which is the first section. This just gives you basic results about your report. It allows you to download it as a PDF, embed it into your website, and then you get some scores about different parts of your website's search engine optimization. Next, you have sub pages. And then we have SEO results. This is probably one of the most important sections. So this section will basically tell you how well you have optimized your website. It will go through different parts of your website and tell you things you have done well and things you could fix in order to improve your site's SEO. So as you can see, there is a cross here as there are improvements that I can make for my title tag. It says you have a title tag, but ideally it should be shortened to be between 10 and 70 characters. And then we have some more things about the SEO for our website. So we have the header, the body content, so things like keywords, and then links, backlinks of course, very important, indexing, and then things like the robots.txt file, XML sitemaps, Google Analytics, and schema structured data. As you can see, we have all of that, so we have passed all of them. Next we have usability. As you can see, the usability is very good. This basically says our website is optimized for mobile devices. So that is absolutely fantastic. So our website will work on both mobile, tablet, and computers. After that, we have performance results. This is things like page speed, page size, and so on. So that is very important to look at that section as well. Then we have social, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. If you don't have a link to each of these profiles, it will say that they are not connected, as it is recommended that you link to your own social profiles. And then next we have security. Of course, it is very important that you have a secure website, and ours is secure. You want to make sure that yours is as well, because security is very, very important. And next we have technology. This isn't very important. This is only for the more technological people. If you want to see the technology that is used in your website, along with your DNS servers, web server, IP address, and so on. And then finally, we have recommendations on how you can improve your website's SEO, performance, security, and also social. So this is a great section as well, as it will basically tell you how you can improve everything. There are many different things that you can look at here, and it will help you to improve your website's optimization. So this is the SEO Optimer website audit tool. So go and use this tool to audit your site right now. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.